Can roof rejuvenation really extend your roof's life? If your roof's starting to look worn out, beat up, you're probably wondering if it's time for a full replacement. But there's actually another option, roof rejuvenation, a treatment that can add years of life to your roof. Here's how we think about it. Roof rejuvenation is a spray treatment that puts oils back into old, dried out roof shingles. Think of it like applying lotion to cracked skin. When it's done right, we can extend a roof's life by 5 to 15 years. Here's what happens over time. The sun's rays pull out the natural oils right from the shingles, making them brittle and fragile. The granules will start to fall off, and what's really important is once those granules are gone, they're gone. You can't put them back. And that's why rejuvenation only works when the damage is moderate. Now let me walk you through exactly how we do this. First, we come out and we inspect your roof. Not all roofs are good candidates, so we need to see what we're working with. Secondly, if there are any minor damages, missing pieces, or flashing problems, we will need to fix those before we treat anything. Third, we spray the rejuvenation oil evenly across your entire roof. And then fourth, and this is important, the treatment needs time to work. Full effects develop over 5 to 6 months as the oil soaks in deep. And one thing to know, if we're not careful during the application, the oil can stain your siding or your concrete. And that's why proper masking and protection matters. We always spray your siding and plants with a hose during application to ensure no spotting or stains appear from the residue. A good contractor will always take precautions. So when does rejuvenation actually make sense? Your roof should still have at least 75% of its granules intact. If most of them are gone, it's probably too late. The age range we typically see is 12 to 18 years old. That's really the sweet spot where the roof is aging, but not completely beat up yet. It's not ideal for younger roofs, 5 years or newer, which still have plenty of natural oils, and it won't help you if you have serious damage, major leaks, or structural problems. In those cases, replacement is the better answer. Here's the thing, timing is crucial. Go too early, and you're wasting money. Wait too long, and the damage becomes irreversible. That's why the inspection matters so much. Everyone's favorite part. What does a roof rejuvenation cost? Here's what we typically see in our service areas. Most homeowners pay between $1,400 and $6,000 for a roof rejuvenation. Now compare that to a full roof replacement, which runs much higher. You can see why a rejuvenation appeals to a lot of folks. The benefits are real, and you add years to your roof's life. You're keeping waste out of the landfill, which is better for the environment, and using a bio-based oil treatment instead. So let me clear up a few things that I hear a lot. First, this isn't a spray and forget gimmick. And when it is done right, it genuinely restores flexibility and slows down aging. It's legitimate science, not marketing hype. And second, don't expect immediate transformation. The full effects take time to develop, usually a few months as the oil soaks in. And third, not every roof qualifies. And that's why we always start with that inspection. No honest contractor will spray first and ask questions later. If your roof is showing signs of aging and you're in Central PA, Indiana, or the Michiana regions, I'd recommend getting an inspection from a trusted roofer near you. Let the facts guide your decision, not hype or pressure. That's how we operate. For a zero-cost inspection and estimate, head to our website and fill out our online form at equityroofs.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm Kevin with Equity Roofing. If you think you need more than a rejuvenation, click the link below to find out if a roof replacement is right for your home. Next stop, a better roof.